Okay, guys. Good afternoon. If you just joined the live stream, kindly double tap and share the live. Kindly share the live and then um share it to your friends. Sorry. Kindly double tap and share the live. 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 Double tap. Guys, I'm live. Kindly double tap and share the live. I'm live. Double tap. Share it to your groups, your friends that I'm live. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap. So it's a powerful day. I actually told you people gold was going to start buying, but we needed a date. We needed a clear confirmation during the time that it's going to buy. Guys, double tap. Um Today I've not shared it on my pages. I don't know. I'm just trying to see how many will join without me sharing on their pages. How many have actually activated their this thing? Yeah, Kobe K. God bless you. God bless you for the immense support. It's not easy. God bless you. Guys, I think I don't know whether TikTok actually shares it. Let me repost here. Let me share. Let me share. Mm, yeah, so Okay, guys. Double tap and share. Double tap and share the live. Can you see me? Have I okay? So this is the setup I shared in my VIP today. I shared it at dawn. I basically didn't share it to all my platforms. I shared it on in my VIP. This was what I was targeting. So it was a very good sniper entry today. Around I think 1 a.m. there. This was around 1 a.m. Let me see if I can get the time. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. Um, the we I shared it around that time. So this has been my projection from dawn. This is my key level that I'm looking at. If you can hear me, I've been bullish from I think 1 a.m. and then yeah. So this has been my bias. And guys, double tap and share. Those of you who are live, double tap and share today. Yeah, it's good. It is good. Double tap and today it seems a lot of people are not online. I know. Say because I don't come online most of- Mm, guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Guys, double tap and share. It's becoming um that's awesome. Guys, share the stream, share the stream, share the stream. Share, 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 double tap and share. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, let me know. No, you cannot buy now. You cannot buy now. No, no. It's not the time. So guys, double tap and share. Double tap and share. Guys, let's double tap. Let's double tap. Share the live stream to everyone you know in your everyone you know in your spaces, in your chats. Share the link to about 10 spaces. Guys, share the live stream to about 10 groups that you know that we are doing live trade. Okay, live trading. We are trading live on gold. We are trading gold live. Now, I'm expecting gold to get to a zone, then we can sell gold. Okay, I'm expecting gold to get to a key level that so that we can sell gold. If not, then we should expect more buys. But then, as of now, I'm still seeing bulls on the market. So more bulls on the market. This setup was given yesterday. I think this morning around 1 a.m. or 12 something a.m. I shared it in my VIP. Those of you who are interested in a VIP, is just $50 a month, so that you take quality trades, quality trades. Right now, most of the time in my VIP, I don't just share link. I don't just share setups by heart, because I want you to maximize on the good trades, and then maximize on very quality trades. Yesterday, those of you who were live, we shared about BTC, and I told you that BTC was going to hit the buy zoom, and then you see that market has actually bought. I think XAJ, we also said that XAJ was going to, that is silver. You can see that silver has also, but I was expecting a buy on silver and a buy on gold. You realize that they both have done the same thing. So currently gold has bought over, from my entry yesterday was a very good entry. That was a sniper entry. You get it. My entry yesterday at dawn was a very sniper entry. This market actually hit this place and then gave us 1:3.14 risk to reward ratio. That is 1:3, 3 RR. We could have gone higher, but I was just targeting just a small position inside this space so that we can look out for the sales. I could have increased it to the top side, which would have given maybe 1:4 or something. But it's best we do this at the moment, and then yeah. So guys, double tap and share. I'm expecting gold. Yeah, so I'm expecting gold to probably reverse. Now, yesterday I was teaching you people something. What influenced my direction on buying gold? You see, now I told you about what we call the M pattern and the W pattern. Yesterday I shared it live and I communicated. So it's just a simple M pattern strategy that I use to just diagnose and get this key level where market was going to buy towards to, and then I smashed TP. We smashed about 560 pips on gold just today, which could have been more. We could have caught more than that 560 if we wanted to catch about 1,000 pips. But then looking at this, you can see that this is looking like an M shape, M pattern. Yesterday I taught you. So we have the side of the M like that, drawn like this. So this is an M. You can see it drawn like that. Let me use this to draw it for you so that you see it. So it's drawn like this, and then this is like an M. And then I told you that with an M pattern, this is where we are concerned about, right? This is where we are concerned about. This is what we are concerned about, the neckline of the M pattern. So when it got to this place, when it broke it and then came to this place, I was waiting for opportunity to buy to the neckline. And then when it gets to the neckline, then we will wait for a trajectory or an opportunity so that we can continue to sell. Because whenever you see an M pattern is a representation. A market is either going to after breaking the neckline and then retesting the neckline, market is going to continue to sell. And that is a simple strategy to even use on the market to milk the market. So market has already entered into the key zone that I am expecting. So this place is where I am expecting that market should just start rejecting in that place, and then we should expect a continuation of a sell, market coming down and breaking, or market just breaking out and then coming to break this level. If market comes to break this level or continue being bullish, then we get a clear change of character. And then if market continues to be bullish today, that means that the system has changed from a sell direction to a buy direction. Hence, we are looking for buy opportunities from tomorrow. I'm never going to look for sell opportunities because the market has totally changed. Are you getting it? The market has totally changed. If the market keeps on buying and doesn't start selling with a structure that I'm looking at now, the bias for tomorrow is going to be pure buys. I'm not going to be looking for sells. Any sell that will be seen tomorrow will be a rejection or a retracement. But then if there is no sell, if the sales are not even mighty, you are going to be seeing more of buyers tomorrow if market continues to be bullish till 12 a.m. Okay, so if market continues to be bullish till 12 a.m. today, then we are going to be seeing more bulls on the market. But if market decides to reject right now, and then market rejects the zone that we are in, that means that market is now going to keep on selling, and possibility of market breaking the low the lower region where, like, let's take low instance, let me loan where market might be targeting, a lower zone where market might be targeting if in case there is a breakout from the lower side. We should be expecting markets to come down to as low as, we should be expecting market to come down to as this level, okay, this low level. We should be expecting market to come down to this place around 4,003 something, 4,003 something. So if market doesn't give us that direction, then we should expect that market should buy and break out the 4,627 region, and then up we go, targeting now we move into a bullish market. So that is what I am expecting on gold. And so currently we are just finger crossed, we are just crossing our fingers, waiting for what market to do. Is market going to break out this zone? Is market going to reject this zone? Is market going to, yeah, so that is what we are waiting. It is a key level. All these places are key levels for me. So all you can do as a trader is probably after this TP has hit, we just wait. Those of you who are not in the VIP, sorry, I basically shared this setup to the VIP only. I didn't share it to any group apart from the VIP because they renewed their subscription just few days ago, and so I need to make them to recover their money, their $50 first. Then after that, I can continue on and get them good setup so that they can make more profit. So the first initiative is that I wanted them to recover their $50 with a setup so that they can keep on being VIPs, right? That is why they are VIPs. So that is basically it. That is basically it. Let me clear. So that is what I'm seeing on gold. But let's watch around this place. I'm still looking for what? Sales. If the sellers don't come in, then it means that tomorrow market is going to be pure buys. Now let's go to BTC. BTC has already bought and is buying, but what are we seeing on BTC? Let me see something on the chart of BTC. Let me give you some accurate entries, and then some. BTC buys are too much. There is a breakout here, but market has not respected. Market has not given a pullback. Market has not rejected to the zone again. So it's very beautiful. Let's see this. Okay, it's very beautiful now. Oh, okay, there's news at 2 p.m. Let's check that. Today I checked for news, but I didn't see any news. That is Feb data. Oh, okay. ISM services, and then JOLTS, and then all these news. Whoa. That's true. Let me take. So we have two red folder news today, and then we have two orange folder news today too. So like 4 news today, but all around 2 p.m. And then I think Feb data is the new home sales. That's Feb data. So it's going to be interesting how you are saying that market my what market might buy to the 5-9. Let me check, what region are you saying? 5-6-9-8, really? Whoa, let me check that. Let me check that key level that you're talking about. 5698. Really? That is extreme. That is extreme. That is extreme. How come you got that level? The market should buy to that level. That is far. It's really extreme. Oh. Anna, is it me? Is it me that I'm not seeing? Because that is far extreme for market to even with news. I'm not sure it can spike to that place. 459. Okay, okay. 4598. Let's see. 4598. Yeah, possibility. Yeah. So with 4598, the 4598, there is a possibility. Yes. So 4598, this place, there is a possibility. There is a because of how momentum how the market is giving us momentum. So possibility, Kwame is saying that market might get to this place, which is a possibility. It is because it's still inside the same zone. So in case of if there is any rejection, market might shoot and then tap into these regions and then give us a little bit of liquidity drop, and then market will create the formation of cells, and then after the formation of a cell, clear structure, we jump into the cells very well, sell to either the entry the last point here, or break out and look for more territories to what milk the cells down 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 down. So that is what we will be expecting. I am expecting, looking at the structure, it is purely bearish. It has not changed direction to be what bullish. So I wouldn't be looking for more buys on the market. I'll be looking for more sells because the market has not totally changed. So the buys you are seeing is just a rejection, a pullback. It's just a pullback, right? It's just a pullback on the market. So basically, that is what I am seeing now. Um, um, VIX 25. Let me see something. Hey, VIX 25. God, God, stay where you are. God, stay where you are. Don't come. I was projecting a buy setup on VIX 25, but VIX 25 has just decided not to be responsible. It's not responding. Even though it was at a key level, I was expecting more buys. This guy dropped, and so it actually dropped instead of giving us some buy opportunities. But after dropping, it is here, and then it is giving us a kind of a bullish structure. So right now, I'll pay attention to it. I would only, let me see, with a 15 minutes condition. Hey, so I have a 15-minute condition that when market does that, I would wait for the breakout. This is where market actually broke out. You can see it on the line chart. It's not like we are doing Kululu. There's the where market actually broke out, but it's also majorly this place. Okay, so we can't yeah. So this, like this, we now go to candlestick, and I've been able to cover that place. Now, markets might decide to come there, market might not come there. So it's two ways. Okay, two ways to this. Now, this also is a consolidating market. Market consolidated here. So most of the time I do also place a box on a consolidating market. Then I what do refinement on that consolidation market with what the fib, and then I keep it clean. in 75. Yeah. So this is what I'll be expecting. If there is any chance of what sells, market has to what sell to this place. But then the problem most of the time is that this can be an inducement, and then market will take this out and then come to this one. So that is what you can be looking at, or what I can be looking at on VIX 25. I want to see a structure clear enough to give us some bullish structure, and then we buy on VIX 25. So let's go back to gold. Hey, gold is going. Oh, gold is still going. Let me clear the chart. So I've cleared my chart. Most of the time I do clear it just to give me a clear space, so that I can trade. So this is the whole structure of gold. Look at that. So you can see that market has not automatically tapped into where, or given us a clear bias on buys, because market has gone up. This is the whole candlestick. You can say I did the analysis here. Now you can see that this is what the candle to me. This is this candlestick's Fibonacci, and then you see that what this place is what 75 and then 50%. You get it. What happened? Market moved from here and then went to tap into what the 50% to the 75% trading, and then market. Now this is weekly time frame, and then market actually started what rejecting, rejecting, and then here is gold. This is on a weekly time frame. This So here is gold now dropping, and it's not easy for a lot of traders. So that is it. Why is gold doing that? Because it got to a level and then it rejected, because the construction of the market is pure what bearish. So if you go here, you see this um you need this. Yeah, so we are having a double touch here, and so this one like this, if we want to what see what sub. Yeah, so this is what I'll be looking at. So if market breaks out, then we have a clear thing to do. But then if market rejects this place, then we are looking for what? More buys, more buys, more buys. So as I have said earlier on yesterday, as I've said it today too. So sorry, I've said it today too. If the no those of you who sleep too much, most of you sleep too much. When the opportunity come and even we share it, you do not get the opportunity to milk it with us, because by that time you are sleeping, so you miss the trade. But this is what I am expecting. Market has tapped into this, and then market is going to come down more. So if it breaks this key level, it means that market is coming down more. But if it doesn't break this area, this is where I would say it is my what resistance. Hey, that is my support. Sorry. So if market breaks out this support, it will retest the support and continue selling. But if market doesn't break this support and then hangs around inside the support, then we will now see that market wants to what reject and keep on going up to the top side. So that is what I will be expecting. You can see that in the higher time frames, we are seeing more sellers than buyers, right? Because in the higher time frame, like the weekly and then the monthly time frame, it is still not a buy, it is still a sell. Look at this. This is the buy move that happened, and then weekly time frame, you can see every weekly candlestick is a bearish candlestick. So that is why you shouldn't be happy when you are seeing some buys, because then this whole bullish candlestick was more bullish. This is a weekly candlestick. Every week was what bullish, right? And then when we entered into the new system, new week, you realize that this was a bearish candlestick, bearish candlestick, bearish candlestick. And this represents what? A whole week. And it's left with what? 3 days, 8 hours for this candlestick to be closed. Now, this was a sell move to this place, and this is a place where when market touches this key levels, they respect it. Okay, they respect that key level, and if they've respected that key level, it's either they break out or they give what? They give a rejection. If they give a rejection, then we look out for what? An entry or an opportunity to what? Tap into the buys, resulting to what? A breakout of this place, and then to probably a new space. Okay, so that's what I'm looking on gold currently. That's what I'm looking on gold currently. So it's very beautiful, very, very beautiful as you see it. Can you see my screen? Well, okay. Most of you could have milked the market yesterday with us, but you are. Should we trade the news, or we should just be here? I normally don't like trading news. Guys, communicate with me. Communicate with me. Let's stay here. Let's stay here, right? Let's stay here. What should I actually do? Should we stay on for the 2 p.m. news, or I should go off and then communicate with you guys, so that we would do it in the pages, or when I see a setup, I share it on the pages, which is which. Now, let's not trade the news, right? Okay, so I should go and look for somewhere and sleep and relax myself, because news is coming at 2 p.m. Anybody's idea or perception? Mm. Okay, let's go off then getting to 2 p.m., then we resume on live. Really? Are you sure? Me, when I go off, probably I would go and rest. I've not been sleeping well these days. I don't know. I don't sleep much. So it's sometimes a little bit unrelaxed. Unrelaxed. Is that one also brothel, or is that one a word? So I feel unrelaxed most of the time. So this gold setup, you will wait for me to sleep and wake up, right? Yeah, I've been a little bit tired. My eyes, I don't know. You can see it. I feel even I don't know. So most of the time, I feel a little bit sleepy. I just need to engage my mouth with sometimes gum or biscuits just to prevent myself from sleeping or engaging in a sleep. Because sometimes it's not easy. The sleepless night. Some of you think if I was asleep, I wouldn't be able to catch the 1 gold setup and give it to the um the VIP. I wouldn't have caught it. So sometimes it's just to make the VIP because they are giving for the service. So we have to also deliver. That's why. If it was just left for me to just I would have slept. When I sleep now, I oversleep. Yeah, but then I have I have my dex can also go up. So let me see if I'll go up. Why am I going down? Let me see if I stand, it will it would help me a little bit. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm going to stand for a while. When I stand to my energy is up. So my desk can move up and down. That the kind of that they have a name for that. Is it standing desk or automated standing decks that you can lift it? So let's go. I think we are standing in till news is over, right? So we are going to do it. I'm energized. Let's go. I'm very pumped up, guys. Okay, so today we will do the news. Don't worry. We are doing news today. Let's double tap and share the live. Guys, you people are not encouraging me. 15 people. 15 people per. I've been watching. Most of you, you don't share, you don't like. I want to start giveaway soon. When I start the giveaway, those who are always active, I'll cash them out. Those who are active will collect cash out, give away live. It's going to be $5, $10, just based on a lot of things. So activeness, when I started now, I still want to keep the momentum because I don't want to start doing, yeah. So sooner or later, 10 people live, we do $5. Everybody gets $5 in their, and sometimes just to motivate, get you something to trade. It is not like a fun something. Like I'm doing it so that you get motivated and then you start trading. The main aim is to get you trading, not to get your hopes too high, because anything you can just buy lunch or buy food. Yeah, so guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Now, one thing, so I asked the question that I want to teach the simple strategies that you need to know about the forex market and how to identify sometimes people that market simplest way. The most part in trading is not analysis. The most difficult part in trading is not technical analysis or getting a strategy. The most difficult part of trading is the psychology aspect, and that is why I want to host a 3 days boot camp on risk management and capital acceleration, and probably add the psychology to it. I wanted to do it a special class. The psychology class would have been a special psychology class, and then I wanted to have a guest on it, and that's going to be a very special paid mentorship, paid boot camp. Okay, it's going to be a paid boot camp because I want to bring somebody influential on that psychology class. I'm still talking to the to the team, and we will run this. I'm planning with them. So if the time is up, you are going to have a traders psychology class that is going to be mind-blowing. The best of it has never happened in Ghana before. It's going to be awesome, and I hope it happens soon. I am just praying about it, talking to the people, the team that are willing to do it. It's going to be strictly online for the first time. Probably the 1.0 is going to be strictly online, but then when the demand becomes high on that kind of this thing, then we do the 2.0. We look for a very big conference space, and then we host it. Very powerful. It's going to be serious. So guys, don't slack cry. We're going to do some back-to-back things. So that is what I am planning. A lot of things in order, and so you will do a lot of things. Okay, those of you following me, follow well, because the time is coming. There are programs and stuff. You guys are the ones that are going to be handling. You guys are going to be the probably chief protocol, chief handler, as the brand grows bigger, those connected from the early stages are going to get positions. If I'm actually bring people to be this, to be that, to be that. To look at the people who supported the vision from initial stages, and then you people are going to benefit from the position, because I'm just telling you, I can never take all the positions as that. So as you connect with me, and then the brand becomes bigger, and we affect lives, we are transforming lives, we are telling people about the financial market, letting them know that the financial market is legit and true. You also get a chance of being a worker or somebody who works in this space with us, and then we touch lives together. So it's a big thing, it's a big movement, it's a big vision. You just need to be connected, and I bet you, most of you, if you follow well, you're going to, like, it's not joke. When you follow well and then you listen to me, you listen to my advice, if I tell you do this, do that, I'm telling you, you would definitely see money. Today, one of my mentees shared a testimony with me, and I'm mind blown. Charlie, the guy has made money through trading, and he has gone to rent his first apartment. A very young guy, rent his first apartment. He has been able to spec the room, and then he has been able to actually buy his first big phone, and his first big phone using the money from the market, and the phone is an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Hey guys, it's not easy for somebody to buy an iPhone 17 Pro Max. That is like a 15,000 Ghana cedis, close to $1,200, $1,300, $1,400 worth phone. You get it? So If you're not making money on the forex market or the financial market, you cannot do that. You cannot do that. Are you getting it? And some of you, you've been working a lot. You've been working all your life. You've been working all your life. You've not been able to buy even an iPhone 14 or iPhone 15. You get it? So this is the time to go hard on the market. I am telling you, those who are serious mentees that are very ready. This guy actually completed the TKS course, I think, just last month. Yeah, he was part of the people that graduated from my mentorship course last month, and it's crazy. It's crazy. He him there. One day I'll do a portfolio of only him. Today he told me, sir, relax. Now he has ordered for laptop from out. Like he told me he has ordered laptops. He has done this. Oh, I'm not actually kidding. I have it all in a chat. Yeah, so yeah, let me share. I just want to I just want you to know that I'm not playing. I'm not playing. This is not a joke. Like, this is not like some kind of this thing, comedy something. Okay, I don't want to show his face. He's very young, like very young. So I even shared it in the community. Let me cover his this thing. So this is that. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's gone. I think here's it. No, it's okay. Let me not show it. It's okay. Whether you believe it or not, it's okay. So I got excited when he was sharing with me. I said, Kaish, this boy has already made it. By this time, I'm sure his parents will be proud. Oh, what work are you doing? What work are you doing? Hey, what work are you doing? And then you realize that they will say, oh, he's just a financial trader. And these are the testimonies I need. I want everybody, all the boys, all the guys on the page, all of you start making money, big money. You get it? If you start, if all of you are starting, you see, if you all of you start making the money and get the testimony running, boy, nobody can say that this is a scam or we are playing or we are joking. No, as long as I'm not supposed to be the only person cashing out. You people must cash. When you cash out, then gives me the morale, because then like only me pay I they do of it every day. I am the one flipping. I'm the one doing this. It sounds so fake. But if now one you were trading with me, you've also cash out. You are also cashing out. This is cashing out. Martin is cashing out. Felix is cashing out. Igwe is cashing out. Hybrid is cashing out. Who is cashing out? HNDRXX is cashing out. Kobe K is cashing out. All of you are cashing out. When I do live, I wouldn't even talk. I'll just watch you people. Then you people will be talking. Bro, after I did TKS, I've been just taking trades back to back. Serious. Yesterday, Felix was in my VIP. Felix was in my VIP. I sent the I think he milked it. Today, he also this thing told me that he has been able to milk it. You see, these are the things that I want to see when mentees see life, the thing they job, like the thing they job. No be say it's not working. Yes, the thing is working. The thing is working. And that is the results we want to see. So I'm just trying to while away time whilst market moves. Whew, it's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. So currently there is something about the market. You get it. The reason why I was expecting buys also, there is something to you could I'm live. I'm on TikTok live. Sure. Okay. So it's very beautiful, not only for me. I always tell people, me myself, sometimes when I make profit, I'm not excited because I want to see most of you get make profit, and that excites me. Do you know why? When you people make profit, it excites me. It makes me feel okay. It is said that it is a joy of every father to see their sons do well. It is a joy of every father to see their sons excel and do well, better than him. I'll never be angry that you people have made money and I'm no, 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 no. The guy pulled me back, and you were talking about the buy structure of the market. The guy pulled you back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yes, so sorry, it's not my fault. Sometimes when you are growing, that's how it is. When you are growing, Martin, it no be my fault too. So this place was a key level. If you check at the higher time frame, let's look at the daily. I like the daily and the 4 hour most of it because that is where we used to identify. Yeah, I'm growing old. I'm now 75 years old. I'm 75. I'll be 80 soon. 86. Don't worry. I grew 10 years, 10 years. So this was where market actually broke out. I was expecting sales longest because I was anticipating a market will sell to this place, right? This place was a key level for market to sell. So sell to. So this one is a valid space for what market to continue buying. But still, market has not changed structure. Why am I saying market has not changed structure? Because you can see that what this is a what in a daily time frame we had what a higher lower high and then what lower low. This is a lower low, a lower high, and then a lower low. So if you did the last time I was doing the market structure with you guys, this is a lower high and this is a lower low. And what happens when the market is giving you a lower low and then a lower high? I told you that what when market is bearish, that is when you see lower lows and then lower highs. That means the market is breaking the lower lows. And what do we see here? Market has broken what? A lower low. This is lower low. Market broken the lower low, right? Market has broken a lower low. Now, if market breaks a lower low, it's supposed to create what? Another what? Lower high and continue and come down and break the lower low. The only stage where market would not continue being what? Bearish is when market changes character. So market will change character like this. This is what market will do. Market will come down to this place and then what? Give us a breakout. And that is a clear indicator that we have what? A change of character around this place. Hence, we wait for what? Market to pull back into this place and then a strong breakout. That is when you can also wait. So if you don't want to be a liquidity, there are a lot of people that don't want to be a problem. They will just what? Wait for what? Market to what? Break this place. And then they wait for what? A retest on the breakout. Okay. They wait for a retest. This is where they wait for the retest here, and then they continue the what? The breakout to the top side. So this is what you are expected to see before you say what? Market is now going to be bullish. You cannot look out for what? Buys automatically to the top side just because it has done this, because automatically this market is still what? Is still bearish. So possibility of market what? Coming down to break this one and then what? Continuing to the downside is high. So what do you do as a trader to be at the safest side? You wait for what? A rejection. When the rejection happens, it's supposed to what? Come and retest this place. Supposed to come and retest it. After retesting this, we wait for what? A breakout. When the breakout happens, we wait for what? Market pulling back to what? This place. If market pulls back into it, it is what, and then we look out for more buys. We look out for yeah. So that is it. It's big. You see, I always tell you, trading the market is one of the simplest. Is one of the simplest and easiest way to what? To is the easiest way to scale, but you need the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, if you don't have the skill, you might not be able to scale at all, because it takes just simple knowledge and then your own what? Feelings and emotions to what? Be able to navigate the market. If right now what I'm going to be looking out, the reason why I said I'm looking for sales, you get it. The reason why I'm waiting for sales, market might not go up too much. So this place, market will what? Let's go to 4 hours so that you see something. So where market is at now, market might what? Start selling now. The new candlestick, a new market has opened. So market would decide to what? If market will sell from this place, market will have to sell and then come and retest around these places, okay, with a little bit of liquidity. Forget about the line chart. So a little bit of liquidity. If I am entering the trade here, I will be entering around this place where, in case of any liquidity, market will tap me in, and then I target what? The breakout. Or if you are selling, we are selling to the downside. Okay, we are selling to the downside. So what we will be watching is that if market decides to start selling from this place, we are watching that market will sell to break this zone, or market will just come here and stop, and then the sell ends there, and then it gives us what? A correct direction to buy. That is what we are looking for. That is what we are looking for. If market does that, we are good to go. So it's 2 o'clock. Let's watch out for what news will do. It's 2 o'clock. Let's watch out for what news will do. If news push, will news, this is what? This on the 4 hour, this is the whole neckline for me. Okay, on the 4 hour, this is the whole neckline, isn't it? So will news push gold to the sales, or will news, and I'm seeing the sellers activated, right? I'm seeing the sellers activated. So will news advance or push the market down, or it's going to what? Cause it to go bullish? I'm not sure it's going to do that. It's supposed to what? Pull back from this place, come to probably this place, give us a confirmation, then we can look for back, or even pull it down to as low as probably this place or any level around this place. So there must be sales. There must be sales. Guys, double tap. Is it I won't collect waiting belongs to Caesar? Caesar there is not my friend. Caesar has never been my friend. So guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. I'm expecting more sales, a sell from this place. There must be a validation for the sell. And so if the sales activate and there is news, so yeah, me too. I collect good cry a long time. From 1 a.m. I don't collect my share. So this is just a part 2. Let's we buy the Lambo. We are not stopping. Right? That's good. Yeah. So I'm expecting the sales to push down. The sales to push down to this place. The sales are looking very beautiful. It's looking beautiful, but I mostly don't trust the market when there is news like this. So I'm just going to watch it till it gives me a clearer confirmation. I can go to the lower time frame for confirmations, like looking out for a proper, because of this multiple this thing, look out for a sell breakout. Okay, a sell breakout on the lower time frame. And so probably I'll look out for sell breakout here, and then a push a retest at the top here, then I sell from there. So I'm just actively watching on what market is going to do, if market is going to sell to where I am expecting, because the market is showing the signs. So let's do 15 minutes. Let's do 15 minutes confirmation to get the sales or the buys active. So I'm in the 15 minutes confirmation. 15 minutes confirmation. Do we go for sales or we go for buys? Mine. So we have about 9 minutes. 9 minutes for active move. Oh, isn't it too long? Let's go to 5 minutes. Probably we might miss it before. Oh, shoot. We already have a clear distance on the 5 minutes time frame. But still, I'm not a scalp trader. Let's wait for 15 minutes confirmation whether a strong sell to this key level first. I will be targeting this place first. Then I'll be targeting this first. Then we will target the next ones. I do it step by step. You don't rush the market. Otherwise, you become I'm standing. Are you standing? Yeah, I'm standing. That's why I'm kind of active with my legs in it. I'm walking like that. I think the more so still watching. This thing must be a solid sell move, right? I'm seeing something that should be very solid when it comes to sell, but I still want closer before I dictate a sell, because that there is a before. So until there is a clear dictation that the sellers are in, I will not I'll not risk myself. I'll not risk myself. Yeah, 50 minutes for confirmation. That's what most of the time I do. So just 50 minutes confirmation, kind of 50 minutes breakout, a retest, and then I execute, or just 15 minutes confirmation of a proper word, a proper direction. A proper direction. Oh, looking like market wants to go bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap. Let the energy flow. Let the energy flow. Double tap, double tap. W's in the chat. Share to your friends right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You don't want to be on a live without liking, without sharing. Let's go. Let the energy flow. Let the energy flow. Energy. E for energy. E for energy. It's already 2 p.m. and so hey, that's a bullish structure. Do us more bulls without more rejections. That's unfair. That's unfair. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, and share the live. Most of you are not giving me gift, but you're making me shout. You're not giving me flowers. You're not giving me. You're not sending me lions and jets and then airplanes and scorpions. You guys have to be. You guys have to be sharing those things. Send lions, send octopus, big mosquitoes. Like every gift they have on, every gift they have on TikTok, guys. Just send them, send them. Let the likes, let the gift, let the shares be flowing. Let's go. I'm still watching on what market wants to do. I could just take a decisive movement, but because of what the news, I wouldn't do that. That is a sabotage on my side. 2 p.m. news has been released. It's like it's not controlling the market that much. Everywhere is silence. It takes about 30 minutes or 15 minutes for the news to mostly take effect sometimes. But I still want to see something. It's not giving me what I want to see. Guys, double tap, 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 and share the live. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, and share the live. Okay, give me some W's in the chat. Active W's, or what class should they change? Me, I don't want to use the same word. Me too. I bring my own. Give me some S in the chat, man. Give me some S. Give me some S in the chat. Guys, let's go. Let's go. I'm seeing a good response on the markets. Give me S in in the chat. S S S S S. Give me S on the chat, man. S on the chat. Let's go, guys. More S's, more S's, more dollar signs, more dollar signs. Dollar, 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 dollar. Yay. Let's go. The energy. I like the energy. I like the energy, man. Now we talking. The sellers. Now we want the sellers in the building. We want the sellers in the building. The sellers in the building. The sellers in the building. That's why we're saying S S S S. We want more sellers to take market down. We're expecting a pullback, strong pullback. Market should give us a strong pullback. Very beautiful. I love this, but we need a strong pullback. Double S's. Woo! Let's go. Hey, don't reject for me. Don't reject for me. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. I'm seriously expecting market to continue going down. Like, I want a breakout. If market could break this area for me, I'll be very, very excited. If market should break this place, all this place, if market should break that place, it will be a good sign for more sales, right? If market should break that area, I don't want any kind of back and forth around that place. I want market to break that place. That is sweet. That is sweet. Go down, man. Go down, man. Go down. Go down, man. Go down. Yes, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's a breakout. That's a breakout on the 15 minutes. Good boy. Good boy. I love that. Ha. God. That's good. We have a breakout. We selling gold. Beautiful. I'm expecting more sellers. So this one here. Sell good. Sell gold. I'm expecting it to sell to the downside. More sellers. Hey, don't play with it. Don't play with me, man. Gold should just sell. Let me execute some sales on my account, boy. I can't be live and then Charlie Munkwana move. Okay. Okay. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Let's sell. Let's sell. Let's sell. Let's sell. Hey, don't play with me. This. Let me do one lot. Let's just do one lot. God. Come on, drop like you are going down. Hey, don't play. Don't play. I don't like rejections at all. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable. Hmm. Okay. Mm-mm. Strong rejections against me. God go whine you. Huh. What? Let me see something. Yay. I'm expecting sellers, so go don't do me that. Don't do me that. Come on, I just put one lot. Let's go. It's not clear. Sorry, I was actually. So those of you who have not entered, don't enter now. Just you can wait for a retest. Probably if you want a secured kind of entry, then you wait for a retest around 4579 if your account is very small. But if your account is big, you can do the execution with me. I have already entered one lot, and market is just doing skedado with me. It's just doing skedado. So TP, I'm targeting 4543. TP, that is where I'm targeting TP. TP, I'm targeting 45. Yes, TP, I'm targeting 4543. Right? I'm targeting 4543. And then the SL, I'm targeting just 4585. 4586. Let's use 86, right? 48. I'm expecting more sales. I don't know why gold is just doing up and down things. I don't like. So double entries. So entry. Those of you who picked them, I executed a straight buy and a straight sell from just that place. So my entry was so steep, it wasn't like a sniper entry kind of entry. So um I'm expecting more sales. I don't know why this guy is trying to reject me. I don't like that. Entry, sales, sell, let's say USD, entry one. This is where I entered. Entry one 4573. That was my first entry where I entered. And then I am expecting, probably if market wants to come to 4579. So you can set another entry at 4579 or 4579. That is closer to the SL. So and then please apply proper risk management. Don't risk all your account on this trade because it can go south against us. and you would lose. So apply proper risk management. I don't like this. Proper risk management. And then this is not a financial. This is not a financial. Yeah, so it's going to where I assumed it will get to. Let's see if it will react at that place. Yes, let's see if it will react at that place. It's not supposed to buy, but it's well. So this is it. I'm still expecting sales. If market buys, then it's crazy. It's going to be crazy buys. Let me set my. I'm down about $600. I'm down about $600. 4585. 4585, and then take profit at 4543. That's where I'm expecting. So it's either SL hit or TP take. We go. Gold is not, it's not your friend at all. The excitement, Nina Shiegu. 4586. Four five 4 3. Good, good. Don't do that. Let's drop, man. If it goes continues going up, serious SL hits, right? Responsive, irresponsive, irresponsive. SL first. Mm-mm-mm. Ha. Hmm. Market just took one of my SLs. I think one was a little bit closer. Market went up against me, closed up that one. Expecting this sales so badly, but market has disappointed. Market has disappointed me on the sales. We're still on. I'm still on. I'm still on. I'm still watching. I left the chat. Sorry, I was watching my own trade because market has gone against me. I wanted to take one is active. I increased one's SL to 4586. So the 4585 was triggered, but then the 4586 is still active. I'm just hoping it wasn't just some kind of liquidity to sell, and it took one of my entries out. So you can see I took a loss of 722. I opened a 0.5 lot. I was very oh, it's part of this. Sometimes these things do happen. It's normal. Sorry, some of these things do happen. It's yeah, trading. When you win, there are sometimes you get some else a little bit, but it's most of the time what is important is that your wins must be bigger than your what, your L's. Your wins must be bigger than your L's so that you balance it. That's why risk to reward ratio is very important when it comes to trading. So yeah, I'm still watching if this, because I was contemplating whether it was going to buy or it was going to sell. But this, what it's doing is just not, it's not beautiful. Lower time frame gave a clear bearish breakout, and so it was a clear structure. But looking at it, it seems SL hit on both sides, both trades. Yeah, it's gone. Gold is continuing to be bullish. Not for not I know what is happening. Whew. Don't tell me it just came for this, because then I'll be super angry. I shouldn't tell me that. Let me see something. If I missed something along the line, because sometimes you can miss it whilst doing it. Okay, I've seen my mistake. I've seen my mistake. Oh, I did a mistake, but it's part. In the lower time frame, all I was supposed to do was just look out for something, but I didn't do it. And so I've actually, this was a breakout. This was a breakout structure here, and market came to retest it with a little bit of liquidity to this place. And so we could have what entered buy rather, but my projection on the market is expected on a 4-hour time frame is a sell. Okay, on a 4-hour time frame is a sell, and so I should have waited for the 4-hour, before I do any move, which would have taken long. And news also didn't manifest. News didn't do anything. So right now, what news didn't do anything, guys. The news didn't do anything. Nothing. BTC is also moving up. It's crazy. When you call the sell and it goes to take your SL before it starts selling, it's crazy. I don't want to see any sell. They should buy. They should keep on buying, because if they sell, I'll get mad. If they sell, I'll get seriously mad at them. Seriously. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, the news didn't react today. I don't know why news didn't react. It's like news came, but market didn't react to the news. So it's just normal. I'm one of the guys you gave your book to at Koforidia. Thank you so much. Oh, God bless you. And I hope you make use of the book. Guys, double tap, and the news that we were waiting to trade, it didn't show anything. And then it didn't give us anything on the market. Oh, sorry. You had back-to-back buys on gold. Yes. That's it. Sometimes when you are a little bit busy, you miss trades. It's normal. Kim Blexy, I hope your loss wasn't so big like mine. I hope you didn't put all your eggs in a trade. I hope you didn't put all your eggs in the trade, right? Let's move to VIX, right? VIX has been messing up a little bit, so I'm not I don't know. You lost $17. Oh, sorry. Ah, the Echo Reel, the one and only Echo Reel. Echo, today there. Please, do you correlate DXY with gold? I'm not that. I don't do that a lot. I hear people doing that, but I don't normally do that. I basically use, yeah, on BTC. We are flying. We are flying 50,000 feet above sea level. 50,000. So we are around 81,000 on BTC. We are going. I spoke about XRP, right? I told that XRP2 was going to go high, right? I think XRP2 is doing well. XRP is around 1.4. As you open a Lotto kiosk, yay. Will you people come? Will you people come? It will be called the crypto Lotto kiosk. So that you people come, then I'll tear slip for you. I'll tear slip for you people. Yeah, so I think I spoke on Solana. Whoa, Solana got to $86. Echo. You realize I was saying Solana might get to $90, right? Solana has gotten to 86 and it dropped from there. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't even check on it myself, because mostly I'm not into the crypto crypto too much. That's serious. Solana has hit 86, and I was projecting that Solana will get to as high as 90. And guys, in I spoke about Asta. Did I say, sometimes when I say them, I do forget. I spoke on Asta too. Whoa, Asta is around 0.67. Wow, that is good news. This was Monday, and this was around Sunday, 3rd May. So, whoa, Asta got to about 0.68, and then it dropped on Monday to 0.66. Wow, wow, wow. The market has been very interesting. It has been very interesting. I have been on gold, and yesterday the sales that gold. Let's go because gold is selling, guys. Gold is selling. Gold is selling, but it's not massive. It's not massive like it's expected. You're eligible to start earning with content monetization and money based on the and money based on what? And money based on the performance of your eligible public reels, videos, photos, stories, and text photos. Photos to show your get a very yeah. So let's still watch out. VIX 25 there. Huh? What? Guys, can you believe what I'm seeing? No, no. This not. No, VIX 25 is getting too stubborn. For some time now, VIX 25 is also like being crazy. It's just not responding. It's just not responding like it used to. But it's normal. It's normal. Um, Says, where are you, the crypto guys? Help cash out. Oh, good. Why? Ken Blexy, relax, relax. It's part of trading. Is this your first loss on the market? Yeah. So, uh, Master people. Oh, Kumasi people, what's up? Yeah. Crazy. Oh no, 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 no. Guys, relax for the market. This thing is basically sometimes news, effect of news, and and sometimes market irregularities. It's normal. It's normal, guys. Me, if I chop thousand something dollar loss right now, I beg you, cool down, cool down, cool down. It's part of the game. Ken Blexy, what lot size do you use for the trade? What lot size did you use for the trade? What lot size did you use for the trade? uh, Charlie, today people are complaining on X, right? It's crazy. It's crazy. Now, I think Kojo actually posted something, posted something on X right now about he being stressed today. Nobody is stressed than he is today. I'm sure a lot of people are taking back to back L's on the market. It's crazy. On X currently, a lot of people are complaining about they buying and gold selling, and they selling and gold buying. It's just crazy. So you have to know that sometimes these things do happen. It's normal. I was in a I was in a buy. I could have held the buy till the top side, but I was also looking at what gold actually oh I didn't look at this. That's crazy. There's something here I didn't pay attention to. I didn't pay attention to one thing. I've seen that thing, which should have been a very, very, very is a cue so that you would decide not to take the trade or you decide to take the trade. So guys, I think I've done 2 hours, 7 minutes more. I'll be going off. I'll be going off in around, let's say, 3 o'clock. Let's do 3 o'clock. Then I go off. Should we do the live tonight? The evening session tonight? Because today it seems a lot of people were interested about yesterday night. It was interesting, and so should we continue tonight, guys? You see what gold is doing. You see the cells that gold is trying to pack in. It's uncalled for. It's uncalled for. I don't know whether it's because the 15 minutes I went and it has. Oh, Bibini. Bibini any po. I don't know whether it's the 15 minutes, but higher time frames will win all the time. I love higher time frames. Oh, Radin Yankopon. Higher time frames. What happened? Crown I'm call lower time frame. Nonsense. Nonsense. Higher time frames will always win. Lower time frames will always mess you up. You think it is this near you. What the hell? So exactly 3 p.m. I'll be offline. I'll be done. Guys, double tap and share. Double tap and share. We've not hit 20, even 20k likes, boys. Boys. Drew 20k, 20. Guys, you see what God has done to us. It's just not supposed to be so. He was supposed to sell. He was supposed to sell, but it came to take off this top. But still, there is more vim. There's more vim. Let's wait for this structure in this thing. We will look for buys to probably this place again, to retest around this place again, or I'll do fib on the candlestick if this. So this one like this, we're looking for what? Markets. If market opens like that, you should be expecting market to trigger around, and then we sell more. So we will sell again. No, don't worry. I am confident of the sales. I've seen the structure already. I think what messed up was we going to the lower time frame. I could have just targeted this place and then could have taken the sales to that place. But it's all part of the game. Don't worry. It's all part of the game. Could have taken an L like that to this place. That would have been a 1:8 risk to reward ratio. 1:8. The sales must come. Definitely, the sales must come here, guys. We must get the sales. So we when it's finished the formation, I'll call the cells again. The cells is automatic. I am seeing the cells. It just kicked us out, but it's supposed to it's supposed to what, before the cells start selling. I'm expecting more cells, so don't worry. We will get another entry. I want to get entry. I want to get another entry, and then we take the sell. This market, if it gets, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Is my volume back, or it's still off? Please, what time is the best for trading? What time is the best time for trading? Hey, time for trading, yeah. It depends on the most of the time. Okay, most of the time people trade New York session and then the London session. So London session probably from 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to, let's say, um 4 8 p.m. to 12, and from 12 to, it intersects, I think, 8 p.m. to 2 p.m. 8 p.m. to 2 p.m. And then from, so the London session and then the New York session they meet together. So from 12 going to around 9 p.m. or 7 p.m. or so. Yeah, 9 p.m. is the these things. It just go to baby pips, right? Sometimes it's just off head. You can't get the time changes sometimes. So baby pips will help you. Baby pips will help you with the times, right? So we come to the tools. Okay, you come to the tools, and then the forex market hours, right? The forex market hours. Yeah, from that one, but some itches when there is that thing called. So just, give it a try. Okay? Convert it to Ghana time and all that. So 3 minutes more, and guys, I'm tired. Have to go and rest. So should we do that? Should we do the live in the evening tonight? So yes, so you can see this is the Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, and then we have the New York session. So the London session closes around 4 p.m. Okay, yeah, so I was a little bit right. The London session closes at 4 p.m. and then the New York session opens at 12 noon, 9 p.m. Yes, all right. And then the Sydney session starts at 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. The Tokyo session starts at 12. It starts at I think 12 noon, and then ends at what? Ends at 9 a.m. in the morning. So London session starts at 7 a.m., not 8. So London session starts at 7 a.m., then closes at 4 p.m. And the New York session starts at 12 noon and closes at 9 p.m. So that is the sessions, the time sessions. And he says time analysis on the chart. Okay, he's talking about the time frames. You don't have a specific time frame for trading. No, it depends on the type of trader you are. Okay. No, the frame for analysis is based on the type of trader you are. The type of trader you are determines what the time frames you use. So that one is different. It's beautiful. Market has not still given us what we want, but we still want to see sales. I still want to see sales. Now, me, I'm going to continue to sell again, guys. See you all. See you all tonight. Okay, so guys, have a great time. See you all tonight. Probably we'll meet tonight, and if there is opportunity. So, guys, thank you all for joining, and then we'll talk later. Bye bye. Sellers are started. The sellers are now in. The sellers are now in, and it's selling. So I actually jumped in immediately.